Hey there, math enthusiasts and problem-solving champions. Welcome back to Math with Mel, the go-to spot for all things mathematical. Today, we're diving deep into the thrilling world of inverse equations. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the secrets that will turn your math game upside down. Did you notice that equation was the same as the original? So now I'm wondering, why did that happen? Is this always the case? What if I investigated this graph a little bit more? Could I find some patterns? Comment below on your thoughts.